Credit Corp, features, strengths, weaknesses. This video explores Credit Corp, a leading debt purchase and debt collection company, primarily operating in Australia, New Zealand, and the United States. Key features of Credit Corp include its robust financial stability, sophisticated data analytics capabilities, and comprehensive compliance frameworks, which allow it to excel in buying and managing non-performing loans. Tailored primarily for financial institutions seeking efficient debt recovery solutions, Credit Corp leverages advanced technology and specialized expertise to maximize recovery rates while maintaining ethical collection practices. One of its strengths lies in its strategic approach to consumer engagement, which prioritizes respectful communication and flexible repayment options, thereby fostering better customer relationships and higher client satisfaction. Additionally, Credit Corp's strong reputation in regulatory compliance and risk management minimizes legal risks and enhances trust with stakeholders. However, its weaknesses include exposure to economic downturns and regulatory changes, which can impact its debt purchasing potential and profitability. Critics also point out that while Credit Corp's operations are extensive, it faces intense competition in the U.S. market, possibly limiting its growth trajectory. In conclusion, Credit Corp is a formidable player in the debt recovery industry, offering distinct advantages such as financial resilience and ethical operations, making it a suitable partner for banks and financial entities looking to improve their loan recovery processes. However, potential customers should weigh the impact of market fluctuations and competitive dynamics on Credit Corp's long-term performance. If you're considering engaging with Credit Corp, these insights should provide a comprehensive understanding of its capabilities and challenges. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.